welcome to another in the ARM What Is program series. In each episode, we dive into a tech topic to give you insight and perspective into some of today's hottest design trends. I'm Brian Fuller, Editor-in-Chief at ARM, and today we're going to dive into what is ARM Flexible Access. And to help us with that, I want to introduce Phil Burr, Senior Director, Strategic Programs with ARM's IPG Group. Phil is responsible for developing commercial programs to make it easy to access ARM technology, including ARM Flexible Access. His experience, spanning more than 20 years, covers product strategy and marketing, business development, and product management, basically in IP licensing businesses in the UK and Asia. So let's dive right in. Phil, what is ARM Flexible Access?
So ARM Flexible Access is a way for partners to access ARM IP, as well as tools and support. And it provides access to over 80 of ARM products. And it's designed to make it as easy as possible for silicon partners or OEMs to get started on their designs.
So how does ARM Flexible Access differ from other ARM licensing models?
Yeah, so in ARM's traditional licensing model, partners decide which IP they need before licensing the technology. And this works really well for partners who know which IP they want. But for other partners, it doesn't provide the flexibility that they need. So Flexible Access sort of flips this around by providing access to an incredible portfolio of IP for a small annual fee. And this provides a huge amount of choice and flexibility. And what's critical is that the license fees only become due at tape out. So partners can design, they can experiment as much as they want. And then all they have to do is pay a small annual fee, which also covers the support.
Well, that does put the F in flexible, that's for sure. So what are the benefits of ARM Flexible Access for designers?
So Flexible Access partners can experiment and they can design with any or all of the IP in the package and at any time. So this allows them to do some direct hands-on comparison of the IP. And because we provide some software models of the CPUs, partners can run their own software to work out which CPU is best for their software needs. And they can do this all before they commit to silicon. And in addition, because the license fee is only due at tape out, it means that partners can pause, they can change, or it can even stop projects without risk.
So this was introduced a little while ago. What's been the response to the introduction of ARM Flexible Access?
Yeah, the response has been absolutely amazing. So it was announced just under 2 years ago. In that time period, we have over 100 customers using Flexible Access. And the really good thing is that more than half of these are new to ARM. And we continue to sign up partners at a really encouraging rate. And I think one of the really inspiring things is the diversity of partners. So that ranges from large OEMs, silicon startups, all the way through to experienced semiconductor vendors.
So Phil, is there a particular aspect to ARM Flexible Access that users are drawn to, or is it more varied than that?
So there are three main things. So the first is the ability to experiment and design before committing to production, I've just talked about. The second is the confidence that using ARM IP brings. So respins are expensive. So knowing that the technology is proven, has been used in hundreds of designs and in billions of devices across all of the main foundries, that means that partners can go to tape out faster with much more confidence. And then the third thing is simplicity. So we have very simple, straightforward business terms. As an example, partners can move from tape out to manufacture with ARM using a very simple order form.
So Phil, I've heard about ARM Flexible Access for startups. What is this?
So this is a program that we offer to early stage silicon startups. And we simply provide all of the benefits of flexible access, but to qualifying startups for no cost. So early stage startups can design, they can experiment, and they can tape out prototype silicon without paying any fees to ARM. And our aim is to continue to foster innovation in silicon. And we know that by providing the best IP, tools, and support, we're making it much easier for silicon startups on their journey to success.
Well, thanks so much, Phil. In just a few short minutes, you've educated us on a really fascinating topic. Check out all our other What Is episodes here and be sure to subscribe to this channel because we'll be adding more as the year progresses. Thanks for listening.